Ducts are important to every air conditioning system and home. They're a necessity, imperative to making sure that the air transfers to your home necessary. And so you've probably seen some advertisements. You've probably seen our advertisements. And so today I want to discuss what are the differences between different cleaning methods and why is cleaning your ductwork so important. Hi, I'm Jacob McBee. In today's video, we're going to talk about the difference in duct cleaning and duct cleaning methods and why cleaning your ductwork and the duct system is so important to your air conditioning system and the health and air quality of your home. The importance of duct cleaning. We'll start off with this one because some people think that it's not necessary and some people think they should do it every year. Well, the truth of the matter is it is very necessary and you should have your ductwork cleaned whenever necessary. But if you're needing to do it every year, you might have other problems. So you need a professional to come out and make sure you don't have something causing it to get dirty all the time. So what are ducts or ductwork? Well, the duct system is designed specifically for your home, and it's designed to carry the cool, comfortable air or that warm, comfortable air from your heating and air conditioning system through the attic and into your living space. So it's important to make sure your ductwork is designed correctly, and two, it's sealed and it's clean so that the air is fresh, clean, and healthy for you to breathe. The benefits of having clean ducts, or why you should have your ductwork clean, is because it's delivering that fresh, clean air from the air conditioner through your home. And if your ductwork's dirty or you've got problems in the ductwork that's transferring dust in there, then that can cause you problems like asthma, allergies, red eyes, itchy eyes, stuffy nose, other allergy-like symptoms. Also, the ductwork is going to help keep your air conditioner running safely. So if it's clogged up, you've got problems there, it can be decreasing the airflow in the duct system, and that's going to cause problems and strain back on your air conditioning system also. Let's talk about how to clean the duct system. So there's several methods. One is just a simple vacuum method. Often that's not cleaning the entire duct system, and well, let's just be truthful. It's more of a show than anything. That's not going to get you done what you want to get done to make sure your air is clean, fresh, and healthy. The other one is what we use, which is a push-pull method. That's where we install a system into the duct system, goes all the way through and covers every square inch, making sure to one, pull all the dirt from the end all the way back through, hooked to a vacuum, so we remove all that, let's say, dirty air, dirty dust from the home, push it into a vacuum and remove it from the home for you. What are ducts and ductwork? It's like the transmission on the motor. Without it, you really can't get the job done. So your air conditioning system is producing the cold air, and your duct system is transferring it from the air conditioner through the home into your bedrooms, your living rooms, and everywhere that you're going to be in the home. So the million-dollar question, how often should you clean your ductwork? Well, first I'll say if you've had your duct system or new air conditioning installed by My Favorite Service Company, then you should never have to do it again. It's one and done because we do things to make sure you never have the problem again. However, that's not always the case. So we recommend having it inspected at least once a year, but no more than every 5 years. Cleaning your duct system is important for many reasons. First, it makes sure that the air that you and your family breathe are clean, fresh, and healthy. It also is going to protect your air conditioning system, ensuring that it has a long, full life and is energy efficient. So if you're unsure, make sure to schedule your duct inspection right away. Give us a call or visit our website.